Hello students, now we will discuss the algorithm for filling the polygons. There are two types of algorithms. One is boundary fill algorithm and another is flood fill algorithm. One is boundary fill algorithm and another is flood fill algorithm. In case of boundary fill algorithm, the filling of area is done by starting at any initial point, or you can say any inside point. Means within a polygon you can take any point and paint the interior outward toward the boundary. But this method is useful in that cases where the boundary is only of single color. The filling algorithm proceeds outward pixel by pixel until the boundary color is encountered. This is called boundary fill algorithm. To perform boundary fill algorithm, what we do? We take any interior point, suppose x or y, a color for filling and the boundary color through which we can compare our interior pixels. Now start from initial point. Procedure test neighboring positions to check whether they are of boundary color. If they are not painted with the fill color, then neighborhood is tested, and continue this method until all pixels up to boundary color for area have been tested. Through the diagram you can easily understand. This is 4 pixels. This is your initial pixel. This is left, right, top or bottom. 4 connected area. Here tested position left, right, bottom, top. If we take, there are two ways. We can take the concept of 4 connected, or we can take concept of 8 connected. Each and every time this concept is not needed, but in case of complex object we have to use the 8 connected area concept. In case of 8 connected area, we have to check the left, right, bottom, top as well as the diagonal points too. Because in case of complex object, we cannot fill our object on behalf of only these connected points. Means 8 connected algorithm or 8 connected method will correctly fill interior of any complex object. Like this. Suppose we have taken 4 connected, then only this part will be filled, this part will be remaining as it is. Hence, to perform the boundary fill algorithm or filling any interior which is complex, we have to utilize the concept of 8 connected strategy. Now we will discuss the algorithm. Procedure for boundary filling. This is a recursive procedure, boundary fill, where we are going to use 4 connected way. What we have taken from user? These two are the initial points. This is the color for filling and this is the color of boundary in which your object is colored. Now, check the initial position, current location. Get pixel function we have used. Get pixel of xy, that will return you the color of current location. Means from where user is going to start. First we check the initial location color. If particular current location is not equivalent to boundary and current position is also not equivalent to the color you want to fill, in that case put that pixel and fill the color which you want. Now come to the next location. This is x plus 1, means that is the right side point or right side pixel. X plus 1, same location of y, fill that particular color and match with the boundary. Next is x minus 1, left side y and c. Another is top point, x is similar, y plus 1 and same points. Now how this algorithm works? Initially it will take your current location, check the color, if not equivalent to boundary or not your polygon filling color, then it will put that particular pixel x or y of such filled color. Now call the recursive algorithm. The control goes to here, take the position. Now x and y places we have to replace the point by x plus 1 and y. Means it will take next location and same parameters. Again it will match the right side point. If this is not matched with the boundary and not matched with the filled color, then again put this pixel, and so on. It will proceed till the boundary point of right side. Each and every pixel will be filled by this method. When you will get the right side boundary, now it will return back to next line. Now it will cover the left side boundary till we are not reaching the left side boundary. When this is covered, then it will go in topmost direction, and then finally it will go. Means in the recursive, with the help of this recursive procedure, we can fill our object. But we have utilized here 4 connected way. That's why if the object is complex, then we cannot fill correctly with the help of 4 connected. Then please remember this thing. If the object is complex, then design the points according to, or fill the object according to 8 connected strategy. The strategy is similar, but the points we have taken here only left, right, bottom, top pixels. In case of 8 connected, we also include these 4 points as well as the diagonal points. This is all about boundary fill algorithm.